Yeah, look who's off the fucking road now. I want to talk to you.
People actually fucking move. Hey, look, I was smart for once.
That Hummer got fucked over.
Good. That's why they're a Hummer. You have a green turn light. Oh, they don't have us. I forgot about that.
We have a turn light though. They shouldn't be able to go.
Green turn light. Oh, they don't have us. I forgot about that.
We have a turn light though. They shouldn't be able to go.
Yeah, they shouldn't, huh? He confused me because he was throwing his hands around.
Two fucking red light runners. Fuck both of you. Genuinely, fuck both of you.
One way you wind.
Yep, aerodynamics is a key part of
They
this.
do have side mirrors. I guess they can't get rid of those yet.
Not yet, yeah. We're working on that.
But what else do they do? I mean, by the way, there's a kind of a benefit to making it really good. Looks like a Batmobile.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. So yeah, they did a lot of interesting things with the battery pack design itself, with how they configure the cells in the battery pack and connect them all up. They also their power electronics system, which is a key part of this. That's the battery stores energy.
I like all-wheel drive. Am I crazy to like all-wheel drive?
No, not at all. It's
I don't know why.
nothing wrong with it. The touring.
And I'm mine, with a ticket for the